The key to creating a website that your dream clients will actually read and one that makes a real connection with them is by truly understanding them. And to truly understand them, you have to pinpoint the reason they have their problem and, more importantly, the reason why they have that problem in the first place. So there's no time to lose. Let's get to figuring it out. Hi, I'm Alli, and I help emerging entrepreneurs get up and running online with a standout brand and website. And can you imagine how much your website will stand out to your dream clients if they read it and they feel like you are the one person who just gets it and that you understand their problem? And wouldn't it be great if you didn't have to be all slimy feeling when you were selling things on your website? I know you just said yes because nobody wants to feel that way, and nobody wants to be sold to that way either. Well, in order to create a connection with your audience, you need to speak their language. And in order to speak their language, you need to know what motivates them. To figure this out, we must uncover two types of problems that they're having. The first is the external problem. This one's fairly simple. It's what your dream client wants. It's what they type into Google's search bar when they're looking for an answer to their problem. So let's say you're a weight loss coach. Their external problem is that they want to lose weight. And if you're a doula, the external problem is that your client is looking for support during childbirth. But losing weight and looking for support during childbirth is probably not keeping them up in the middle of the night with worry. There's a deeper reason why they want to solve their problem. So next we need to pinpoint their internal problem or the reason why they want to solve their external problem. There's always a more deep and emotional motivation that lies beneath the surface that will drive them to purchase your service. So we really want to dig deep and get to the root of the problem. For the weight loss coach's client, maybe her internal reason why she wants to lose weight is that she fears potential health problems, or maybe she just wishes she fit in more with the other moms in her neighborhood. Or maybe the real reason why she wants to solve her external problem of losing weight is that she wants to be able to keep up with her kids. And the doula, well, maybe this is her potential client's second time having a child and the first time went really badly. For example, maybe the staff was too overwhelmed and busy to answer her questions, and so she panicked the whole time. Or maybe her husband left when everything was fine to answer a phone call, and suddenly she went into active labor and found herself alone. You see, why someone wants to solve their problem really comes down to basic survival instincts or the human desire to stay safe, happy, and healthy. So you have to keep narrowing down until you arrive at the very core of what's motivating them to make change. If you haven't had a chance to work with many of your dream clients yet, you may find it hard to pinpoint their internal problem. But the best thing to do is simply to ask. So if you can have a one-on-one conversation, it would be super helpful to learn what their problems are and what they're struggling with. And you can even use their exact phrases that you write down in your copywriting to be able to speak to that internal problem, which is super helpful. Another good idea is to poll your audience using either a Facebook poll or an Instagram story. Whatever method you decide, be sure to phrase your questions so that you're not just asking for a yes or no answer. Here are a few questions that you can ask. What's the reason that you want to blank? What would your life be like if you blank? What would your life be like if you achieved blank? What frustrates you the most about blank? How do you feel like your time and money are being wasted when it comes to blank? What do you wish you had when it comes to blank? By understanding your dream client's external and internal reasons why they want to solve their problem, you'll be able to connect their pain point with your offering and use it throughout all of your messaging. And voila, no pushy sales needed. Another great way to avoid making a hard sales pitch on your website is through testimonials. Click the video that's on your screen right now where I go over how to use testimonials to help sell your services. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the little notification bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Now let's go get them.